How to find your PayPal statement. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can find your PayPal statement. In order to find your PayPal statement, first of all you have to just open your PayPal application on your device, or you could also log in to the paypal.com through the website version. Now after you do it, you have to go to the option of activity. After tapping on the option of activity, now here what you can see is you can just click on the download icon. Now when you click on the download icon, you can go to the option of see more reports, and after you tap on the option of see more reports, there you have to click on the activities once again and then go to the option of activity report. You have to note down that the click activity download is if in the classic view. Now after that you have to choose balance affecting under the transaction type, then your desired date, range and file format, then you have to click on the very create report, and when the report is ready you can click on download, and after that you can view your report or the statement in the PayPal. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.